Hello, and welcome to our guide to exploratory data analysis. In data science, before we build complex models or draw conclusions, we need to understand our data intimately. This is where exploratory data analysis, or EDA, comes in. Today, we'll dive into what EDA is, why it's crucial, and how it can help you uncover hidden patterns and insights in your data. So, what is exploratory data analysis? It is an approach to analyzing datasets to summarize their main characteristics, often with visual methods. It's a critical step in the data science process, typically performed before formal modeling or hypothesis testing. Here are some key points about EDA. 1. It's about getting to know your data intimately. Second, EDA uses a variety of techniques, both visual and quantitative. 3. It helps identify patterns, anomalies, and relationships in data. 4. It guides the selection of appropriate statistical techniques. 5. It's an iterative process, often leading to new questions and explorations. A typical EDA process involves several steps like collecting data to gather relevant data from various sources, cleaning data by handling missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies, univariate analysis, examining individual variables, example histograms, box plots, bivariate analysis to explore relationships between pairs of variables, example scatter plots, correlation analysis, multivariate analysis to investigate interactions between multiple variables, reducing dimensionality to simplify high-dimensional data if necessary, and hypothesis generation to formulate potential explanations for observed patterns. Throughout this process, visualizations play a crucial role in making the data more interpretable and insights more apparent. EDA employs a variety of techniques and tools like statistical graphics, summary statistics, data visualization libraries, interactive tools like Jupyter Notebooks, Tableau, Power BI, and in dimensionality reduction, there is principal component analysis, PCA. At RPA Tech, we leverage these tools and techniques to help businesses gain deep insights from their data. EDA is also crucial in various fields and applications like in business intelligence, understanding customer behavior, sales trends, in healthcare, analyzing patient data, identifying risk factors, in finance, detecting fraud patterns, analyzing market trends, in marketing, segmenting customers, analyzing campaign effectiveness, in manufacturing, quality control, process optimization, in scientific research, initial data exploration in various fields and in environmental studies, analyzing climate data, pollution patterns. These applications demonstrate how EDA is the foundation for data-driven insights across diverse domains. Now let's move on to the benefits of EDA. Data understanding builds intuition about the dataset. Data cleaning helps identify and resolve data quality issues. Assumption checking verifies assumptions for statistical tests. Feature selection aids in identifying relevant variables for modeling. Hypothesis generation sparks new questions and areas of investigation. Communication provides visual tools to explain findings to stakeholders. Unexpected insights often reveals patterns not apparent from summary statistics alone. While powerful, EDA also comes with challenges like time-consuming. Thorough EDA can be a lengthy process, skill-intensive, requires knowledge of statistics and data visualization. Tool selection, choosing appropriate techniques for different data types. Bias, risk of seeing patterns that aren't really there. Apophenia. Big data. Traditional EDA techniques may struggle with very large datasets. Interpretability. Some advanced techniques can be difficult to interpret. And if you want to get the most out of EDA, you should 1. Start with clear questions or objectives. 2. Use a variety of visualization techniques. 3. Be open to unexpected findings. 4. Document your process and findings. 5. Iterate and refine your analysis. 6. Collaborate with domain experts for interpretation. 7. Use EDA to inform, but not replace, formal statistical analysis. Exploratory data analysis is where we begin to unlock the stories hidden in our data, guiding our path towards more formal analysis and modeling. In a world drowning in data, EDA is our lifeline to understanding and insight. Ready to uncover the hidden stories in your data? Visit us at rpatech.ai to learn about our data analysis and visualization services and embark on a journey of turning your raw data into actionable insights that drive your business forward.